If you're wearing it, watching it, cleaning it, eating it, driving it, or even sleeping on it, you might want to thank a trucker for delivering it. Hi there, this is Gary Ryan Blair, and in this message titled, Have You Thanked the Trucker Today? What I want to do is I want to talk to you about gratitude, about appreciation, and about putting truckers in proper perspective in your life, the role that they play, how it all works. So let's do this. What I want you to do is I want you to think for just a minute of all the things that require practice. I'm talking about grammar, arithmetic, cooking, and even playing the guitar. Now, practice is something you probably think you're done with when you leave school or give up music lessons. But have you ever thought of practicing the fine art of gratitude? You see, the simplicity of gratitude and the powerful effect it has on our lives is unequaled by any other practice of its kind. Without a doubt, there's a special kind of magic in gratitude, for it raises our consciousness, it recharges our energy, it enhances our self-worth, and yes, it strengthens our spirit. You see, it's quite possible to attain great wealth, the best education, and an exceptional quality of life and still be unhappy. Now, how does this occur? Well, this occurs when people live with an absence of gratitude. See, success is a process that includes both peaks and valleys, but the one constant in a truly successful life is the practice of gratitude. A successful life requires ongoing growth, and gratitude ensures growth. Gratitude heightens awareness, and it expands your interaction with the world. And once gratitude becomes part of your nature, that's when you begin to see the connections between your successes and creature comforts and the talents and contributions of others. Let me give you a few examples. The farmer plants, waters, fertilizes, and harvests the tomatoes that you enjoy. The baker kneads and bakes the bread for the sandwich that you'll eat for lunch. The engineer and the architect, well, they design the bridge that allows you to get to work. The furniture maker's handiwork creates the furniture in your living room. The plumber fixes your leak, cleans your drain, and plunges your toilet. The teacher educates and inspires your children to be the best they can be. The customer provides the support that enables everyone to receive wages. The performer engages the imagination and entertains your senses. The seamstress sews the beautiful clothes that make you look great. The physician and nurse help to bring your beautiful baby into the world. And the truck driver delivers the food to the market that will feed your family, as well as every creature comfort that you enjoy in life. Now pause for just a moment and begin to think of the connections between people, and you'll immediately begin to understand how important a role that gratitude plays in the creation of a happy, productive, successful life. See, we live in a world we have much to be grateful for if we just stop and look around. It's quite humbling to think of all the roles that complete strangers play in our daily existence. The sheer ingenuity and effort required of others is one of the most compelling reasons why we must make gratitude a daily practice. You see, humility is a virtue integral to gratitude, and we cannot recognize the need for gratitude without it. Now, you may be tempted to believe that success and happiness is the result of karma, of fate, design, destiny, or pure luck, but gratitude offers the best guarantee of success. As you practice the fine art of gratitude, you automatically enhance your peace of mind and your overall quality of life. Finding something good in each day and person harnesses the power of gratitude. So, do you light a candle or do you curse the darkness? Do you bless each day and everything that comes your way, trusting that its meaning will become clear, even if you can't possibly see how in the moment? You see, one of the best ways to cultivate gratefulness is to count your blessings by thinking of all the good in your life, as well as acknowledging the contributions of others. Now, this is important for three reasons. The first is positioning. By focusing on the positive things in life, you position gratitude so that it has top-of-mind awareness. The second is perspective. By looking for beauty, for goodness, and nobility in yourself and others, you're reminded that there are lots of good people with good intentions in this world. And third is power. By being appreciative for challenging lessons in adverse situations, you are demonstrating grace under fire. And that grace results in greater personal power, self-confidence, momentum, and energy. You see, practicing the fine art of gratitude is not only among our most important positive emotions, but it's one that links directly to physical and mental well-being. It's in our self-interest to feel gratitude, because gratitude just makes us better people. And when we consciously practice grateful living, happiness follows, along with an ability to withstand negative emotions. An attitude of gratitude provides immunity to anger, envy, resentment, and depression. And while forgiveness heals the heart of all hurts, gratitude, well, that opens it to present love. Gratitude bestows many benefits. It dissolves negative feelings as anger and jealousy melt in its embrace and fear and defensiveness shrink. Gratitude deflates the barriers to love, and it also evokes happiness, which in itself is a powerfully healing and beneficial emotion. See, when we're happy, we like to make others happy, and this fosters kindness and generosity in others. And like other attitudes, gratitude can be cultivated. We don't have to wait for someone to shower us with gifts before we feel thankful. Gratitude is a choice, and we can develop gratitude by reflecting on the gifts that are already ours. And this reflection can be done for a minute, for a day, or throughout your lifetime. See, most people celebrate birthdays, anniversaries, and holidays. But those who cultivate gratitude, well, they celebrate and rejoice every day. See, we can be grateful because we're happy. We can also be happy because we're grateful. We have a tendency to forget how very different the laws that govern the mind are from the laws that operate in the physical world. You see, in the physical world, if we give something to another person, whether it be a toy, a book, a diamond, we lose possession of it. Yet in the mind, the very opposite is true. Whatever we intend for another person, we first experience ourselves. Whatever we give, we gain. Whatever we offer, flowers in our own mind. If you feel hatred towards someone, that hate boomerangs back and scorches your own mind. On the other hand, if you offer love and gratitude to someone, that love and gratitude first fills your heart and your mind. The words, "as you give, so shall you receive," are profound statements about the way our minds work. So live every moment with gratitude, and the next time you find yourself eating a piece of fruit, remember to give thanks to the person who drove that truck. If you enjoyed this message on Have You Thanked a Trucker Today, you want to hear some more great ideas and insights on how to live a much bigger, better, and more productive life, then be sure to visit GaryRyanBlair.com and make it the very next thing you do.